Good morning, students. Good afternoon, students. Again, this is Mr. Olivo with Molina High School, and I have a topic which is basically the same thing that we have been working with lately, which is Venn diagrams, and how we can read the data of these Venn diagrams, and also how can we get probabilities using different ways like decimal, fraction, or percentage. Okay, but the main objective for today's class is how to read information from a Venn diagram and how we can use this information to answer some questions. Okay, so basically whatever question we have here, the answer is contained inside the Venn diagram. As you watch the previous video, in this case we have three sets. Okay, we have three sets. In this case, I have the set for males, a set which is vehicle, and a set which is accident. Okay, and the entire set is called universal set. When all the sets overlaps, we in this case is this area, we call it intersection. It's the intersection for the set males, vehicle, and accident. Okay, but also we can have intersections for two sets, like males and vehicle. All this in the middle is the intersection. Okay, for males and accident, all this area or region is the intersection. For accident and vehicle, this is the intersection. Okay, and we can also, if we consider all the values that are contained here and here, we have males and vehicle, we have a union, okay, between these two sets. If we consider all the values contained in this circle and inside this circle, we have a union between vehicle and accident. And if we consider all the values contained here and all the values contained here, we have a union between males and accident. Okay, so it's just about making additions of these numbers, and just to be very clear, so we have three sets: males, vehicle, and accident. The first question is, how many people are inside the universal set? The universal set is everything that is inside here. So we can have an addition of 57 plus 127 plus 46 plus 216 plus 19 plus 35. Okay, so let's grab our calculators. You can use your calculator at home. We have 57 plus 127 plus 46 plus 216 plus 19 plus 35, and the answer is 500. So the universal set contains 500 people. Okay, now we have another question. What is, or how many people are inside the male set? Okay, so this is the male set. The black circle right here contains three numbers. Okay, so we need to add all the three values, which is 57 plus 127 plus 46, and the addition for that is 57 plus 127 plus 46 is 230. Okay, now the next question, how many people are inside the vehicles set? Okay, just focus our attention in the blue circle, the blue set, the set for vehicle. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 values. Okay, let's add them. 127 plus 216 plus 46 plus 19. How many cars or vehicles do we have there? Let's add them. 127 plus 216 plus 46 plus 19. And we have 408 cars. 408 cars. the accident set. Okay, the accident set, as you can see, even though I have 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces or regions, I have only two values, 46 and 19. 46 plus 19, okay? Which is 46 plus 19 is 65. 65. All right, how many females? Okay, maybe you can say, oh, mister, we don't have a set with the name females. And you're correct. But we have two ways to do that. The first thing is think about everyone which is outside the male set. This, and this are outside the male set. So you need to add everything that is outside the male's set. Or just subtract from the universal set the males, which is 270. Okay? In a different color, I will do the same. I will do the same to show you that if I add all the values outside 216 plus 19 plus 35, I will get the same thing, okay? If you have your calculator, you can do it. It's 216 plus 19 plus 35. It's 270, so as you can see, we have exactly the same thing, okay? Now, how many with no vehicle? Okay, this is the same logic that you can use. We have all the set vehicles here, 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 and here, and you have only two values outside. So the two values outside means people with no vehicle. Okay, so just make an addition of this plus this. 55 plus 35. I mean 57 plus 35. And we have 92, okay? We have 92 with no vehicle. If you make an addition of 92 plus 408, you have the universal set, which is 500. Okay, how many with no accidents? With no accidents, just add all the values, this, and this. Those values are outside the accident set. Or you can get the accident set, you can have, the total set, which is 500, and you subtract the accident, which is 65, and this is 435. Okay, how many females with no accidents and no vehicles? Okay, a number that is not male is female. With no vehicle should be outside. With no accident should be outside. So this number 35 is clear that it's a female because it's not a male. Has no vehicle because it's outside the vehicle set, and had no accident because it's outside the accident set. So we have 35 females with no accident. Okay, how many males suffered an accident in a vehicle? Okay, males, vehicles, and accident. The region where those three sets overlap, the intersection for all those three is just in the middle, 46. So I have 46 males who suffered an accident in a vehicle. How many females were involved in an accident? All right, so if you take a look to the accident set, you have 46, but this 46 is inside the male set. So whatever is outside the male set is female. And in this case, I have an accident and it's outside males. It should be the females from question number 10. In this case, 19 females involved in an accident. Okay? Please copy all the questions and please copy the Venn diagram with the three sets.